All right, so today, no trades today. I could have taken some position, but I did not. Uh, First trade for the day would have been this one right here, this trade stop loss, 0245 my time. I'm glad I did not hear the notification for that one because that would have been a loss. Okay. Uh, no, my bracket orders here on TradingView is set to 100 ticks take profit, 50 ticks stop loss. Sometimes I do a little more depending on the price structure, okay? So if I would have entered over here, this would have been definitely a loss, okay? I'm not about to hold all this over here. Okay, so this is a 50 EMA by the way. 15-minute chart, my market flow indicator. This is a 9 EMA, and this is also a 9 EMA, but based on the 30-minute chart, okay? So the next entry over here during the Tokyo session, right before London session start, and this one would have worked out, okay? So because that's 47 ticks, so 50 ticks would be around here, okay? Now I usually this is a gray area because sometimes I just go below the EMA a little bit, right? So 47 ticks maybe. So that this probably would have taken me out too, because I don't think I would have placed my stop loss so far over there, okay? Especially after this candle. After this candle over here, I probably would be tracing my stop loss over here, if anything, right? So, but I didn't take it. I didn't take it, and but then this one came over here, okay? And I was like, the price had already on this candle over here, it hit 7,500, right? It hit 7,500. Pull back as a man. This is it. It's gonna go back. I'm not about to go long into such a big psychological number, and I should have just taken the trade because this thing it gave me the trail stop long entry. So this little white dot, that's when the actual candle closed, the regular candle, because this is Heikin-Ashi, right? So the regular candle closed over here, and then the next one opened over here on the yellow dot, right? Had I entered over there, my 100 tick CP, boom, stop loss, 50 ticks, was that 69, 50 ticks. In this case, I put it past the EMA a little bit. Boom, would have hit TP, very good. Then, uh, but I didn't take it, so no trades for me today. Um, as you can see over here, same account that I've always shown you, 6622 from the TraderFi account, zero. Okay. Um, what else? Then the price started to pull back. I thought it was gonna give me the short signal on this candle, but it didn't work. And it just never gave me this indicator saved me for so many bad trades. Man, back in the days, I would have gone short over here for sure after this. This indicator said, nah, this is not over yet. Don't go short. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't because went right back up. So yeah, no trades for me today. Look at in TradeZilla. You see over here, no trades today. Okay, that's it. Um, what else? I am working on my website. It's gonna be readysetfiretrading.com, and here I'm gonna be adding. I have a lot more indicators that are invite only that I'm gonna be sharing through this website over here. Okay, so stay tuned. It's not ready yet. So it is live, but it's not ready yet. Okay, so uh, stay tuned for that. One more thing, guys. Uh, do let me know if you guys are using this indicator, the market flow, once again, you can find it over here in trading view. You go to search market flow, this one right here, okay? Now, if you use this indicator, okay, I'm gonna turn off this. It's a little distracting, this one over here. It just tells me the real open and close of each candle, okay? Let's check this out. If you only take, now you're gonna be taking a lot less trades, okay? Uh, the actual, the first entry, right? The first entry over here, right? When the background turns from red to green and whatnot, okay? The first long, take one trade, boom, that's it. Now it's been green, that's 1, 2 days, right? So you would have taken this trade and no more trades, okay? But over here, another one, short, okay? Boom, long. That's profits, guys. That's definitely profits, big time. Okay, I'm gonna switch it back to regular candles so you guys can see better entries. Okay, so let's do a little quick calculations. Okay, let's say where's my, I pull these over here. I'm just doing this because there was no trades today, so there's not really nothing to discuss as far as what trades I took today and why and whatnot. 127 points since that change of direction over here. 127 ES points, okay? If you go short over here on this one, that was 66 points, okay? 66 points. Over here we have, obviously you cannot hold all this because you have there's a, with prop firms, uh, with prop firms you had to have you have to close the positions, right? Over here, one more time. 23 points, right? So you barely, with some good risk management, this can print you money, okay? And it's free for anybody to use, okay? 44 points, no? Aquí, this one is a reversal signal. This one, like it very rarely just you get in a position, it takes you right out, it without going into profit. This one, it went against you, but you got you were 8 points into profits with ES. So um, over here we have, look at this, 79 points, and then it gives you the reversal, right? So you can always there are different entries over here. I'm just not talking about that right now that you can take, but this is the reversal signal, right? So after this move, you definitely want to take this short. So if you actually took from this short over here, that's 20 points, right? I'm gonna show you my settings here in a second. This is a MES chart, right? Okay, so this one here took you out, right? This one is not good, but you lose one trade and you lost over here. It say you put your stop loss over there, 20. That's way too much. Ain't nobody doing that. If it's that far away, because your stop loss should always be beyond the EMA, that this 9 EMA. If it's that many points, just wait for a pullback. And at that point, you wait for the pullback. then you actually make money, okay? Because you enter over here on the pullback and you make a little bit 16 points, okay? Um, what else? The long position. This one was a long time ago. Let's see my microphone. See, yeah. Look at these guys. Look at this move. I'm not even gonna count all that. Look at this. You get the idea, you know. You went. Look at this. 136 points. Okay. With a good risk management and patience, if you just want to take the first entries, right? Now you could say over here it gets a little more dicier when the market was not trending as much, but still, you know, still you get. Remember, this is ES, this is not Nasdaq. Yeah, over here, what you got over here? You got 18 points, right? Before it went against you to the other side, right? Then you got when it decided to turn around, you got this is some news bullshit over here, probably most likely. Oh, maybe not. That's late at night. When it actually went down 15 points. Okay, that's good money. I don't care what nobody says. This one was a loss. Okay, but then it gives you this loss over here, and then what happened? Okay, let's go with the flow of the market. Boom. That's why I don't I don't believe in how I'm trading with the bias. The bias, I go by the bias of the market because my bias could be wrong. The bias of the market is never gonna be wrong. If the market think it's gonna go down or wants to go down, it's gonna go down. It doesn't care what bias you have. That's why, you know, when I used to trade with the bias, I used to just sometimes get married to that bias and might be long and the market's telling me, nah dog, we're going down. And I'm trying to catch that falling knife and I just end up losing and blowing up. But okay, so let's discuss now this little run up over here. Okay, so you go long over here. I'm gonna go back on Heikin-Ashi. I like it better. Actually, for Heikin-Ashi. Oh shit! Now it set me back. I'm in a place over here where my internet it is slow. I'm not at home. God damn it! That was a bad idea. Give me a second. What in the world? Oh, okay. My bad. Okay, so let's discuss. Let's go in a place where it happens, where it's more pronounced. Okay, maybe let's discuss this run up over here. Okay. So what happens? How to trade this market flow indicator? Okay. So entry, right? Heikin-Ashi. Remember with this this one real this indicator you can also use I created this one to real open and close. It just marks you the open and close of the on the Heikin-Ashi candles based on the real candles. Anyway, this over here you enter, boom. The white dot is the market close. This is the market open. So you enter over here. Here it gave you another entrance, boom. And unfortunately, market New York session close. So that's it for that day, right? So that's a good run, okay? Now, next day comes, you're not on any trade if you're in prop firms, right? You have to close the trade for the day. Next day comes, and it brings you this signal right here. Oh, this is 100 ticks day profit. Uh, that means that from here in this candle, right? This candle close over here. Oh, no, that one is from this candle over here, probably. 100 ticks from this candle. Yeah, from this entry over here, it marked the 100 ticks. Anyway, um, so New Year session close. This is another day. You get this entry over here, all right? And then you enter over here. Boom. This one is a loss because it trades back. But then again, remember, if the entry is so far away from the EMA, that's 23 points, do not enter. You gotta have some context, right? Do not enter in the trade. It's too far. Wait for a pullback, okay? Ideally for a pullback to this EMA over here, the white one, right? Which is a 9 EMA based on the 30-minute chart, okay? And then you can enter. When is this far? When is a big ass candle right here? Don't enter. Usually a pullback comes after that, and then it continues. So if you enter over here, that's your loss. If you waited for the pullback, you went through all this consolidation, and then boom, you went up, okay? So yeah, another target hit over here. So this candle over here, you can enter, right? That's a little better, right? And then boom. So that's how you trade. I did change some of my settings because like today, this is the setting I have. I'm gonna put the settings that I had before real quick so you can see the difference. Ooh, look at this candle going down. But it's already 10:22. I'm not gonna fall for this BS. I'm not gonna short that now. I don't care if it tanks. Anyway, so before, check out this signal over here, which is good. It's a good signal, okay? But there's no signal over here, no trail stop long. I changed this setting over here. Before I had it in 10, okay? And it gave me a little more signals, right? And when I put it on 12.5, it filters this a little better, okay? So I changed that, okay, because I didn't like these signals. So I kind of filter it a little better. So I'm all about good, better quality signals and more signals, you know. So that's it. The rest of the settings, guys, again, here it is. One more time. Just pause the video and add it to your chart. Now these settings, I use it for MES. Okay, so there you go. And style. Boom. So this is MES 15-minute chart. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.